We got some really cold weather which made it feel so much like winter. The frost was so beautiful. Christmas comes a lot earlier here than in the US, probably because there's no Thanksgiving, so we went almost from Halloween straight to Christmas in November. We also needed to get some ornaments and decorations since we left everything back in Asheville, but we decided to make some decorations and ornaments rather than just buy them. There's Dad. Cece. Hi, we're off to the Scrap Shack in London where they resell craft stuff. We decided to do a little Thanksgiving celebration. We fully acknowledge that this is a controversial holiday, but we were feeling homesick and nostalgic, and I wanted to do something for Chad because he's left his family behind. So we went shopping and I made my first ever sweet potato pie. That's Battenberg. Have you never had Battenberg? Seasoning, Chad. Did you see that? So, like a whole turkey, we don't need that, do we? I wouldn't get those. Those aren't the nice ones. I have done a few different designs using felt, and honestly, the hexagons are my favourite. They are simple, but the shape comes out really beautifully, like here. And you can be intricate. So this one I made was pretty intricate. This one's pretty basic, but they still look great. And I also like that it's just one colour, so it's just this white. I don't know that the ones with all the different colours on look as striking to me. The thing that I also love about these is the repetition of them. So one thing I've learned from my friends who are artists is doing the same thing over and over again, or using the same subject over and over again. That's something I've never been very good at. I always kind of want to go to the new thing. But if you're using the same shape and the same method over and over, what you're doing is giving yourself the opportunity to experiment with just that shape. And it's also giving you permission to be experimental, so you can do different types. So this one maybe was pretty basic, maybe it's not as successful as this one. This one's really pretty, but that doesn't really matter, because then I can do another one and try another design and another design, and they can be different colours. And I don't think that's a big deal if they don't look okay every time. Whereas if you're doing lots of different versions, sometimes that's harder to be experimental. So I like the idea of just picking one shape, and the hexagon to me is a very important shape. It's the shape you find in beehives. I think it's a really beautiful sacred shape. So I love that, and I'm going to do probably more of those in different colours. This one I've stuffed a little bit more than the other one, and I think it didn't work quite as well. I think I like it slightly less stuffed, but honestly that doesn't matter either. So I'm going to make more of these, I think, to put on the tree.